I welcome you to the practical image processing using OpenCV Python lecture series. Myself, Dr. Bora. Today, our topic is how to crop an image. You know, cropping an image. Look at this first image. This is the original image, and this side image. This image is the crop version. You see this clock. Few portion of the clock has been cut down, and you see this bottom portion. This portion, some few portion being cut down, being cropped. Okay, so how we can do that in OpenCV? Today, I'm going to describe this to you. So, open your Spider and do the practical as I'm going to illustrate each and every line of the code that will be needed to perform this cropping operation. So, first of all, extract the width and height of the image. First, for that, you import your original image. Okay, in this case, I'm using clock image, and you'll find this type of images in our Berkeley image segmentation dataset. Then, height comma width equal to image dot shape 0 to 2. If you have attended my Python lectures, then I hope this portion is clear to you. Okay, so those guys who have already done the Python is okay, but who have not yet gone through them, please attend those lectures. Okay, that will help you to understand the basic array concept. Now, as this line is clear to you, now get the starting and ending index of the row and column. This will define the size of the newly created image. Say start from the row number 10 to row number 15, and say this will give the height of the image. Similarly, start from column number 10 until column number 15, and that will give the width of the image. So we have defined the new height and new width of the image, isn't it? Then we can get the starting point by specifying the percentage value of the total height and total width. And to get the ending point of the crop image specified as percentage values like say start row integer height cross 15, then start call integer with start 15, end row integer height cross 85, and end call means ending of the column width cross 85. So you see that starting we have started from this portion of height, started our column from this portion of width. Clear? Now then we have gone up to the height means this n row as this portion means we are multiplying by this 85. Then similarly column also we have only taken this portion. So we have defined the start and end row portion here, start call and end column portion here. So this will obviously going to crop the original image. Now map these values to the original image. We have to cast the starting and ending values to integers because when mapping the indexes are always in integers, and I hope in my machine learning lectures you have been already illustrated these points. So crop image is image start row to end row. Okay, we are starting from this start row, this one, and ending with this 85. Okay, then start column up to end column. So this is the crop version of the image. So we specified the range from starting to ending of row and columns. Now you display this crop version. You'll see the output, how differs it from the original one. I hope each and every line of this is clear to you. So this is the overall code. Import cv2 image cv2.imread. We have specified where exactly the image is stored, then displaying the original image. then height and width image shape 0 to 2, then start row integer height to 15, then start column it width across dot 15, then end row integer height to 85 and column width multiplied by 85. So these are the new dimensions. Now crop image start row to end row, start call to end call. Okay, don't forget this call. Okay, then displaying the original image and displaying the crop image. So this is the overall code. I hope each and every line is clear to you. So as you have already opened your spider, execute this code with me. This is the overall code I have saved in a file like crop1.py. Py stands for obviously Python. So as I have saved these lines of code in one file, I can directly execute this with this F5 or this button. So running this file, so output coming, this is the original image. This is the original image and this is the crop version. You have seen that how beautifully the new dimension of the image have been mapped. So as we have taken only few portion of the column means and then few portion of the rows. Okay, so overall the width, this width and this height being changed. So this portion of the clock cut down and this portion of the button this is cut down. So this is the crop version. And many times we are going to use this in our experiments of different experiments related to medical image processing or in case of satellite image processing also where we want to focus on a particular block of that image, not the whole image. Clear? So I hope this lecture is clear to you. Don't skip the practical portion. Do it right now and tell me whether it is executed successfully or not. So meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.